Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Registered Nurse NAVPREET. I hope you all are doing well. Today we will be discussing regarding personal support workers. Who are PSWs? What is the pay rate of PSWs? Why to choose this profession? So this video is going to be so informative for those who have done grade 12 and they are interested in working in Canada and they want to make good money for their livelihood. We will be discussing regarding pros and cons of this profession as well and the future scope after working as a personal support worker. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So what is PSW? What does it stand for? So PSW stands for Personal Support Worker. PSW means you will be giving support, assistance, help to disabled person, to an ill person, to an elderly client or person or a resident. So who are good fit for this program? So anyone who have done grade 12 and who are interested in providing care to an elderly person, who love to care for someone, who love this profession, they are good fit for PSW. So the duration, what is the duration of this course? So this course is 8 months. And who can enroll into this program? So anyone who have done grade 12, who have done 10+2 in their country, and they if the English is not their first language, they can do IELTS, and after passing the language test they can enroll into this program. So what are the pay rates of this program? So the pay rate of this program varies according to your experience and according to your employer. So the normal pay rate varies from $15 to $22, or it may go up to $24. So if we talk about Ontario, the pay rate varies from $15 to $23. If I talk about Saskatchewan, because I personally worked in Saskatchewan for 3 years before getting my registered nurse license for Ontario. I used to work in Saskatchewan Health Authority, and my starting wage for this program, for this job, was around $18.95, and then within 3 years it went up to $23.87. So there are high chances of increment. So if we talk about the other province like Alberta, for Alberta Health Services, the pay ranges from $19.92 to $24.21 per hour. So definitely it's gonna vary according to your experience, according to your workplace, according to your employer. So if we talk about the job duties, PSW help in caring and providing support to an elderly person or anyone who need the support or assistance. So the main job is to provide support, assistance to an elderly person, ill person or disabled person. So support in the means of nutritional support, like providing help in feeding the person who can't feed themselves, going for grocery shoppings, taking elderly person or anyone who is in need to the appointments and bringing them back from their appointments. Providing support in activities of daily living like grooming, bathing, elimination process and dressing. Then you will be providing mobility support those who need it. As I already talked, you will be providing emotional support because PSW develop close connections with the person whom they are caring for. Next comes where you can get a job after finishing this course. Old age care homes are the good sites to work as a PSW. Then long-term care home, retirement homes where the elderly people reside because they need assistance related to activity of daily living. So PSW can work up there. Then the hospital settings, community care or home care. Some people who need minimum assistance, they hire a PSW to help for them at their home. Then if we talk about next, then what are the benefits of PSW program? So this is like an entry to healthcare field. So if you have done grade 12 and you would like to enter into healthcare field, then you can easily get an admission into PSW program and you can start working in the healthcare field. This is a stable job and there are a lot of career growths after this program. So these were all the benefits of PSW program. So if we talk about why to choose this program, because PSW are in demand in Canada. If you are looking for a stable health career, then PSW is an excellent choice for you. Old age population is the majority of population in Canada, and this population is going to be rise in the future year as well. So the future of PSW is bright in Canada because there's going to be lots of opportunities in future, and PSW is going to be in high demand. So let's discuss about the pros and cons of this profession. So pros and cons, the first pro is making a real difference in people's life, because the PSW spend time with a person who needs the care. They are developing a strong relationship with the patient and their families. They are developing a meaningful relationship with the patient and the family. So PSW do what the nurses and doctors can't do, and they are making a big difference into the patient's physical, emotional, and mental life and health. PSW provide companionship and emotional support to a client, and they often develop close relationship with patient and families. PSW get a lot of gratitude from families and clients as they appreciate their work. PSW love brightening their client days and seeing them smile. The training of this program is only 8 months and is a short program, and after finishing this program you can easily start making good money ranging from $16 to $24. You can opt for flexible work hours. You can work whichever days you want. Either you can pick Monday to Friday work shifts, or you can take weekend off, or you can choose to work weekend and take weekdays off. So it entirely depends on you, and you can make your own schedule. Then the cons of this profession or of this program is that you have to deal with loss, and then you have to deal with challenging patients, because you get connected to a resident or a client emotionally and you develop strong relationship. When they pass away, you will be going through a grieving process. So this is the main cons of this profession. Then if you are dealing with angry patients, sometimes you have to deal with dementia patients. So you have to face lots of challenges, and the patients can be so challenging. So you have to gain skills, how to be patient, how to be a good listener, like that. Then the shift work. You have to be working, sometimes you have to work day shift, night shift, afternoon shift. So you have to go through shift work, and then there might be disturbances in your day life, in your personal life. So the shift work can be a big con. Then the pay rate can be varying. It depends on your employer, on your experience. Sometimes the newly hired PSW are making good money rather than an experienced PSW from a different employer, and that can be frustrating for you. And the big con is staff shortage, because the PSWs are in high demand because there is lots of shortage. When there is a shortage, you have to work extra. When you are working extra, it's gonna put lots of pressure. Then you will be in, like, you can face physical issues related to your health, and then mental issues related to your workload. So the workload is gonna be too much if there is a staff shortage. So if you want to get admission into PSW program, then you can look online into ontariocollege.ca website, and then you can go from there what courses to choose, which college to choose, and what programs you are looking into, what is going to be the fee process. So I will be posting the link in this video regarding that as well. So if we talk about next, what is the future scope if you have done PSW program? If you have done PSW program, then you can go to a practical nursing program, which is also known as licensed practical nurse in many provinces. It depends where you are residing in Canada. So there are some colleges, especially if we talk about George Brown College in Canada, it offers a PSW pathway to practical nursing program. So this can be beneficial for you. Then next, there are some employers, if you are working for them as a PSW and you want to upgrade yourself to an LPN, then they offer tuition assistance program. They will be helping you to pay up to some extent of your tuition fees, and then after finishing your course you can return back to the same employer and work as a licensed practical nurse in the same organization. So friends, that was all regarding today's video. I hope I was able to answer your questions regarding personal support worker in Canada program. So if you have any further queries, please leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for future informational videos related to nursing. Thank you and have a good day.